Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, right now I am at Sonpur and from here I am going to Hajipur, the local market. I would like to explore that market. I would like to eat something. So I'm not alone here. I'm here with my wife. Okay, her name is Khushbu Singh. So chale fir?
Yeah, let's go.
So today we are not going by our car. We are going by any sharing auto or maybe e-rickshaw. So we are going to board any auto or e-rickshaw. So here we go. And which place is this of Sonpur?
गाय बाजार.
This is Gaya Bazaar of Sonpur. Gaya Bazaar थोड़ा define करो क्या है भाई Gaya Bazaar?
एक्चुअली मेले के टाइम में यहाँ पे पूरा जो गाय और भैंसों का बाजार लगता है और वैसे एवरी वेंसडे यहाँ पे मार्केट लगती है जहाँ पे आप गाय या भैंस खरीद सकते हैं, बेच सकते हैं या मिल्क वगैरह ले सकते हैं सारी चीज़ें.
Every Wednesday.
या एवरी वेंसडे.
So this is the Gaya Bazaar. This place is Gaya Bazaar?
या
Okay, so this place is Gaya Bazaar. Every Wednesday you can come here to buy or sell cows or buffaloes. Wow, such a big place, huh?
नियर बाई के जो विलेज एरिया है तो वो लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं.
Okay, so now come on, let's go. Let's board any auto. So guys, we are going to board this auto. I'm sitting there. Actually, Khushbu has sat there backside. I am sitting here beside the driver. So now guys, as you can see there, this is the bridge. This bridge connects Sonpur and Hajipur. So guys, we have reached our location. This is Gandhi Chowk. Huh? I'm giving. Who couldn't hold you? This is not Gandhi Chowk. Okay, that is there. This is Johari Bazaar. ये कौन सी जगह है? ये कौन सा रोड है? कौन सी जगह है ये? गांधी चौक है. गांधी चौक के बाद कौन सा रोड है? कचहरी रोड है कि कौन सा रोड है? कचहरी रोड है. ओके. So guys, right now I am at Kachhari Road and see, I am quite new here, so I have no idea about like what is the name of the location and all. So this is the Kachhari Road and as you can see that I came from the Gandhi Chowk. The Gandhi Chowk is behind me and there are many roads, so the name of the roads are quite different, like Kachhari Road, Cinema Road, Hospital Road. So I am at Kachari Road. So I'm going to show you the market over here. Here also a very good market is there so that the people can come buy a lot of things, shoes, socks, there are a lot of things. So I'm going to show you the market through the back camera, everyone. So here you can see guys for slippers and shoes. कैसे ये जूते? 150 रुपये। अच्छा, इसकी मार्केटिंग कहाँ से होती है, कुछ आइडिया है? राजस्थान। कोई बात नहीं, मतलब बाहर से ही आता है, दिल्ली हो या राजस्थान हो, यही ना, यहीं से आता होगा। तो 150 रुपये कीमत। ओके, फाइन फाइन फाइन। क्या है ये बैंगन है। सो गाइस दिस इज ब्रिंजल प्लांट। ओके फाइन। कितने का है ये? 2 रुपये। 2 रुपये का एक ये है। सो गाइस 2 रुपीज़ ब्रिंजल प्लांट। अच्छा, तो यहाँ पर ये सारे क्या मिलते हैं, बीज वगैरह मिलते हैं जी? अच्छा, किसकी दुकान है? अच्छा, वाह। So guys, this is the shop of seeds. So whichever the seed you want, you can buy from here. Very. उसका दाम रहेगा 10। अच्छा, भिंडी। So guys, this is भिंडी, means okra seed, lady finger seed. Wow, so nice. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा। हैं? हाँ, अभी तो शूट हो रहा है, इसमें काट छाट होगा, उसके बाद चैनल पे आएगा। हाँ, हो सकता है कल आके। हाँ, वेरी गुड। ना ठीक है। तो कितने का है सब आइटम? अच्छा, तो कहाँ से मार्केटिंग वगैरह कहाँ से करते हैं? पटना से लाते हैं। और सामान दिल्ली वगैरह से नहीं लाते हैं? अच्छा, so guys, right now we are at the place, this is called Cinema Road. I mean, this road, you can see the road behind me. This road, straight away this road leads you to so many cinema halls. So what we are doing here, actually we are looking for a good restaurant so that we can go, and my wife knows about a restaurant. So is there any restaurant here?
Yeah, nearby.
Nearby there is a restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So we are going to that nearby restaurant. Let's see which type of food is available. Is that any Chinese corner or what? Or it's a proper restaurant?
There are so many proper restaurants too, but
Okay.
wherever we are going, there is a snack kind of thing, like burger, rolls,
Okay,
noodles,
burger, roll.
this kind of thing.
Okay, that's fine. And I have come to know that there is a shopping mall at Hajipur, and that is also at Cinema Road. So we will explore that too. So have you been to that mall?
Yeah,
Once you have been?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, I'm going to show you the cinema hall here. See, as I told you that this is the Cinema Road, so I can see one cinema hall here. Let me show you guys through the back. So guys, this is the cinema hall, and this is National Cinema Hall. As you can see, National. See. It was established in 1947. My God. Since then it has been here. Which movie? Sangharsh. It's a Bhojpuri movie. So guys, the restaurant we were talking about is just opposite this cinema hall, and I can show you the restaurant. So you can see the restaurant behind me, guys. So this is the restaurant we are going to enter. First I am going to show you through the back camera the restaurant, guys. So now we are going to enter this restaurant. It's quite small.
Yeah.
I was like thinking it would be quite big, but it's quite small. Okay. Fine. So guys, as you can see that I have entered this restaurant. There is a small place. I had thought that it would be quite big, but it's quite tiny. However, it's good. In front of the cinema hall you can get this type of restaurant. You can have whatever the snacks you are looking for. So here I have got the menu here. So let me check which are the things I can get drawn towards. Then I would definitely order those things, and whether those things are really available or not, because there are so many things written but such things are not available as well. So let me see.
Get burger, roll, noodles.
What about noodles? Have you tried noodles?
Yeah, it was nice last time.
Let's take half noodle. Okay. So we are going to take noodles and
Roll was also tasty.
roll.
Burger was
Egg roll. So guys, we have decided we are going to take half chow mein and 2 egg rolls, single egg. So here the person is missing. So when he comes, I have to place the order. Yeah, for drink we can go for this, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you talk about drink, guys, here we can get Dew, Fizz, and of course Pepsi is there. Coke is not there, no? Thumbs up, we can go for either thumbs up or Fizz. Thumbs up is okay. Thumbs up is fine. So half chow mein and single egg वाला 2 egg roll. हाँ ये वेज चाउमीन कर दीजिए. वेज चाउमीन हाँ एक और एग रोल 2 चाहिए, सिंगल एग वाला.
सिंगल एग रोल 2
हाँ एग रोल 2 चाहिए.
110 हुआ.
ठीक है, पे कर. I took the permission from the owner of this restaurant. Sometimes it happens like people feel bad, like why are you shooting us, not shoot. But this is a kind of advertisement for him also, you know. So many people will see the video, and if they are around Hajipur, Sonpur, they can come and have burger, pizza, whatever is available here. Thumbs up. Yeah. I'm not strong. I'm not strong enough. No, I'm strong enough. Okay. First you try.
नहीं है मोमोज आ जाएगा आपको लगभग ऊपर से ऐड हो जाएगा.
Ladies first. Yeah, it's not good for health, but whenever I have to go for cold drink, either I go for thumbs up or Coke. I don't go for Pepsi. I don't go for Limca. Earlier, I used to go for Fizz. Happy Fizz. These days, I take this. So, guys, our veg chow mein has come. As you can see. Thank you, भैया. And here we go. Our egg roll. यहीं रख दीजिए. Thank
एक और चम्मच दे दो.
So, guys, egg roll. Thank you. एक चम्मच लेकर आइए. If I talk about the chow mein, the thickness is not that what I have eaten earlier. It's not thick chow mein. See guys, it's not thick chow mein.
But it is tasty.
Tasty ना पहले तो लगा कि सेवइयाँ तो नहीं है, but it is.
It's not so bad.
Yeah, but it's not thick chow mein. We have eaten the chow mein like that thick, long thick chow mein. No? This is neither long nor thick. So guys, I have got one burger packed for Akshat Singh. Now we are going out of here. We have to go to the shopping mall, which is nearby this shopping mall. So let's go guys. Thank you. So we have come out guys finally. We are at Cinema Road and heading towards the shopping mall.
You wanna go inside?
Yeah, I would like to see the shopping mall. I mean,
They will allow you inside.
mall is for us,
I mean this time.
maybe.
कई वहाँ पे तो अलाउड नहीं है.
Okay, let's see if they say that camera is not allowed, then we will not shoot. And if we are not allowed to shoot, then we will not go.
Just eat from outside.
Yeah, we can shoot from outside and we will see. So guys, you can see this city card. So this city card is called here mall. So here people come for shopping. They buy their things from here. But there is one more mall and there is cinema also. So I will take you there. This is like a shopping complex only. I thought it's a mall. So this is city card. I'm going to take you to another mall, which is like a mall where there is cinema hall too. So let's go there, guys. यहाँ ये कब बना ये मॉल जो है
ये सर मॉल वाला इसको बनना हो गया कम से कम 10 साल।
अच्छा 10 साल हो गए।
10 साल हो गया बनना, फिर इसी में मॉल भी बन रहा है।
ओके, इससे भी बड़ा होगा यहाँ पर।
हाँ, इससे हो तो सकता, लेकिन पहले इस नाला था, ठीक ना।
अच्छा।
इसको साफ सुथरा करके इसमें मॉल, फिर इसमें भी फिर मॉल बनाया जाएगा।
ओके ओके,
इसी का अंडरग्राउंड फ्लोर बन रहा है।
ओके। और यहाँ ये सिनेमा वगैरह सब है?
हाँ, सिनेमा है सर, एसी सिनेमा है, रेस्टोरेंट है, मॉल है।
ओके,
हाँ
फाइन, अच्छा है। और ये मतलब सिनेमा रोड है ना हाजीपुर का?
हाँ सर, सिनेमा रोड है। हाजीपुर का सबसे बड़ा सिनेमा हॉल यही है, RSS सिने कृष्ण।
ओके,
हाजीपुर का सबसे बड़ा मॉल यही बड़ा है।
ओके, सारे सिनेमाज हैं।
हाँ, इसके बाद आता है बिग बाजार, वहाँ पर है जो।
ओके, और ये सब मतलब पिछले 10 सालों में सब हो गया?
हाँ, 10 साल में सर हो। यहाँ पर सर पूरा कचरा उचरा था, यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं था।
अच्छा,
सुविधा कुछ न ऐसी था। इसको फिर माटी उटी भराया, तब इसके बाद जो है ना, तब इसको फिर बनाया।
ओके,
हाँ, तब इसको बना के फिर चल रहा है।
ओके, ठीक है। क्या नाम है आपका?
सुधीर कुमार।
ठीक है, थैंक यू। आपका बॉस?
राजकुमार।
ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच, इट वॉज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू। सो गाइज, नाउ आई एम गोइंग बैक टू माई होम and it was my first experience as well, because I have come to Hajipur several times, though I belong to Bihar, but I come to Bihar once in a blue moon. So whenever I come, definitely I come to Hajipur to buy something, but I had not seen this shopping mall here, though I had this information that yes, shopping mall has been made at Hajipur. But today I saw it first time and I have shown you as well, guys. The shopping mall, the cinema halls, because this is Cinema Road. So this is all about this. Thank you very much. I believe you must have liked this video. So I am going back to my home. See you in another episode, guys. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.